Very good morning, guys. Warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Before we begin today's session, just a small information. Yes, guys, Yasha's Group 1 batch has already begun, and Group 2 batch is going to start soon. Exclusively on Unacademy with India's best educators. Brought to you by Yasha's Academy in association with Unacademy. So if you want to learn in a structured way, in the best possible way, with the best faculties of India, yes, then Unacademy plus Yashas is the right combination for you. So the name of the batch is Accelerate with Yashas. It is a May 22 batch for all the CA aspirants, okay, CA Inter. Uh, of course, Group 2 will begin soon. This is Group 1 has already started. 100% English batch. It had started on 13th October 2021. Okay, so these are the faculties. Mayur sir is there. Okay, we have Rajvardhan sir for accounts, for accounting standards. Ravikant sir is there. For Saurabh sir is there for tax. For Karthik Iyer sir is there for law, and Dhananjay sir is there for costing. Plus all others also are also available on Academy. One subscription will give you unlimited benefits. Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? Come on, let's hear it. You can use the promo code Yashas, okay, if you want further 10% off. You can go for 6 month subscription, 12-month subscription. Both are available. Even if you want more period, it is available. And if you want, you can have iconic also. Okay, plus subscription is of course there. Okay, 6 months and 12 months or 24 months. You can also have iconic, in which test series is coming, live tool mentoring program is there. Lot of new things are designed specifically for you. We only want one thing: your results should come in the nicest way. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin today's topic. Very good morning, guys. My name is CM Rugesh Madlani. Welcome to the best lectures of CA Inter EIS nationwide. Today, we are going to discuss why ERP is needed in real life. What is the relevance of ERP in CA syllabus? What ERP is all about. In short, in this short video, we will have a brief overview of why ERP concept is needed. How does it help company? What are benefits of ERP? Why companies are going so big and investing so much into ERP softwares? What is the full form of ERP? Enterprise resources planning. Whatever resource we have in the enterprise, production, finance, marketing, HR, logistics, R&D, risk, everything is there in one software, and that software is known as enterprise resources planning. But why did it come into existence? What was before ERP? Knowing that is very important. Once you understand the concept, everything else becomes very easy. So in this video, preliminary, we are going to focus on why ERP is needed. What was the real reason for ERP? What benefits companies will get once they implement ERP? Can we start? Yes, let's rock. Okay. See, so before ERP, what was there? Before ERP, we had. Before ERP, we had non-integrated system. What do you mean by the word non-integrated? Everyone would store their own set of data. Let's take an example. You will understand little better. So this is a maybe software. Okay. So there are several departments in a company. The one is production department. There's finance department. There is inventory department. There is sales. There is HR. There's logistics and several other departments also. We are not mentioning there's quality department here. So earlier, what used to happen? Everyone had different software. Okay, means logistics software was different. There was different software for production. Finance team used to follow different software, maybe Tally. Okay, different software for sales, different software for inventory. So we had several systems, several application before ERP came into existence. Now, what problem does it lead to? Let us specify. Okay, for example, okay, the owner of company is Rajvi. So in sales, we have Shraddha. Okay, Shraddha from sales. Shraddha says, ma'am, we have big order of 1 lakh unit. 1 lakh unit order we received. Okay, very good. So earlier we had to tell to owners only because everyone has different software. 1 lakh. But the catch is we have to give the order in only 5 days. Oh my God. Tricky situation because per day in this company we can only produce 10,000 units per day. So to make 1 lakh unit we need at least 10 days. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. Then how we will do? Shraddha called Rajvi. Madam, what shall we do? Rajvi said, wait, let me call inventory. Okay. Let me call Rekha from inventory. All the way in inventory, we have Rekha in the house, right? So we called Rekha. Rekha is not picking up. We called again, not picking up. Thrice not picking up. And we don't know the real update of inventory because Rekha is not coming since last 3 4 days. So we don't know what is the current status of inventory. And only Rekha can see the software of inventory because only she has the access. Okay. Very nice. Now, we call from production Raju. Raju, do you have any idea about inventory? No, madam, but what is the problem? We have to make 1 lakh unit in 5 days. Can you make? Madam, for you, instead of 10,000, I will make 11,000. So 55,000, but beyond that, I cannot make. Arey, we need 1 lakh unit. Can you make? Yes or no? Please, for me, you make. Not possible, madam. Wait, let me come to your home. No, no, no. You stay there only wherever you are. Okay, we'll call you if needed. Otherwise, as of now, nothing is there. Okay. So, Raju, again, Shraddha calls up. Okay, madam, I also called Rekha. She is not picking up. Client is shouting, Rajvi, give me 10 minutes. Again, she calls, not picking up. Again, calls, not picking up. So there is a huge problem here. In that, what actually happened? We lost the order. Customer said, we cannot wait for you. There are many other people also. Okay, so Shraddha called Rajvi. Madam, unfortunately, we have lost the order. I am really very, very sorry. Now, there are two problems here. Okay, of course, there's revenue loss. Okay, number one, communication gap. Number two, mismatch data. These are just two problems I've mentioned. Actually, problems can be much more. Communication gap. No one knows what is the real version of truth. Okay, everyone has different data. No one knows what to do, what not to do. Everyone has different data. There's problem of communication. To solve all these problems, boys and girls, we have done. Finally, we have brought ERP. What is the full form? Enterprise Resources Planning. What is ERP? ERP is fully integrated business management system covering all areas of business like production, finance, marketing, HR, everything in one roof. Too much fun. Yes or no? Yes. Whatever resources you have. Sir, what resources we have? Lot of resources. Production, finance, marketing, inventory, HR, logistics. Come on, name a few more. Yeah, sales, quality. Data of all this is stored in one database. Are you clear? Entire data is stored in one database. That is what ERP is all about. ERP is an integrated business management system. Integrated everything in one. Everything is stored in this one database. Everything in one. So it is very easy for owner to take the decision. Yes or no? Yes. Now let's see who is the owner, boys and girls. Rajvi. Now Rajvi can easily take the decision because entire data is available at one place. ERP is integrated business management system covering all areas of business like production, finance, marketing, HR, everything in one. Too much fun. It is one database, one app in which data of all department is stored and there is real-time updation. Now let's see a situation after ERP. What are the benefits? Unlimited. Now, as soon as we receive the order, who will receive the order? Sales department. Sales department Shraddha will receive the order. She does not need to call anyone. 1 lakh unit, you can directly check in the stock 80,000 units are available. Are you clear? So easy. 80,000 units, oh my god, you can tell that 10,000 we will produce per day, within 2 days we'll give you delivery. Let's catch 1 day of delivery also, within 2 days we'll make the goods, okay, and third day we will deliver very very nicely. So within 3 days things can be done. Now situation is much 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 better. Rajvi can only say she will monitor, and as soon as production head comes, okay, he knows that there is a order. Production head knows that there is order of 1 lakh unit, 80,000 is available in stock, I need to make what more 20,000, okay. The purchase head knows we need to order raw material, so they will order the raw material. Production will keep everything ready. HR knows we need to arrange. HR knows we need to arrange the workers in shop floor, so they know in advance they will arrange the worker. Logistics knows that they'll make it in 2 days. Third day I have to deliver the. So as soon as they log in, they will see the order detail, and everyone will work on their own. You don't need to call anyone. Earlier, so we had hundreds of problems. Look at this system. In this system, what was the actual situation? Do you know? Right? Rekha had 5 lakh unit of stock. I did not tell you the conclusion. 5 lakh unit were there. Then again in the morning, Rekha calls the who? Rajvi. Hello, madam, you had called so many times. What happened? Are Rekha, understand we had got 1 lakh unit order, but you did not pick up, so we lost. Oh, madam, I am blessed with baby boy. I told you. I am on leave, so I am blessed with baby boy. That is why now you and your boy both play with toys. Are you clear? Play with those units. This is how literally situation is. Earlier, we did not know only. Now, whether Rekha is there, Raju is there, no one is there. Everything is stored in system, and everyone has different access right based on ID password. Production can see things related to production. Finance can see his data. HR can see his data. Everyone is given ID password. It is not that you can see all data in the database. You can only see the data which is relevant to you. So ERP is a highly secured software in which everyone get different right based on ID and password. Now it is very easy to monitor the business. Everything is in one. Too much fun. Very easy. You can see, okay, finance department, okay, they also know that this is the discount available if we make the payment on time. Earlier finance department didn't know. Only when we are ordering raw material we had to send special invoice to them. Now finance can see this material is there, this is the invoice, if we make early payment we will get discount, okay. So again our reputation would be good in the market, and all orders will be delivered on time because everyone knows what is expected of them. As soon as order is received, what will happen, as soon as order is received, okay, purchase department will place order with supplier, and even supplier has ERP access. ERP access is not only to internal people, also to external. Supplier will constantly monitor the stock. He knows that as soon as stock falls below this level, company will place the order, okay. As soon as stock falls below particular level, so supplier will keep stock ready. As soon as our order is generated, and you will be shocked when I tell you, order is generated automatically at times through EDI, electronic data interchange. As soon as our order is generated to supplier, supplier is constantly tracking our stock, so he will also keep the stock ready. He will send the goods, and through EFT we will make the payment. Electronic data interchange, order will be sent, electronic fund transfer, payment will be made. So our relations with supplier will also be good. We will get the stock on time. Customer can also track the goods while it is in transit. Customer can clearly track where goods are, within how many days he will get the goods, okay. In case of cold storage goods, we can also track temperature, etc. So ERP is a wonderful software which connects not only internal people but also external people, and everyone has different rights. So based on this, doing business is very very easy now for CEO, now for CFO, because they can monitor entire company in one view, and they know. See, they can also see which branches are doing well. Big Bazaar, more than 100 stores. They can see which stores are doing well, which items are performing in Diwali. We'll pile up stock of those items because those are fast moving goods, okay. So we can constantly monitor in one screen where our company is going, what analysis we need to do, what planning we need to do, so we can serve in the best way. Sir, then why not all companies invest in ERP? If it is a wonderful software, data of all department is integrated in one, plus it is highly secured also, why don't all companies follow ERP? Nice question. See, starting cost of ERP is somewhere between 50 lakh to 1 crore. Is this expensive? Too expensive. They say you should invest 1% in technology. So the day you earn 100 crore, you will invest 1 crore in technology. Even if you want to purchase ERP of 50 lakhs, are you clear? You need to earn at least 50 crore. How many people in India earn above 50 crore? Very less. That is why how many take ERP? Very less. There are several companies who make ERP software. One of them is SAP, Oracle, okay, MFG Pro. These are few companies who are champion in ERP, and they deliver wonderful ERP software by which your business can be streamlined in the best possible way. Everything will be done automatically, and your company can get wonderful results with the help of ERP. So this is brief introduction of ERP. Earlier we had non-integrated system. Every department used to maintain their own data. Two big problems: communication gap. Everyone had different mismatched data. Hence came ERP, Integrated Business Management System, combining all the areas of business like production, finance, marketing, HR in one database, so we can access the information anytime, anywhere. In ERP, there is real-time updation of data, so we can easily track what is happening, and all department will be informed of the order. What do they need to do? And once everything is automated, things will be done in the best possible way. This is brief introduction about ERP. Detailed topic, of course, is given in chapter number 2. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up in the video. Okay, it motivates us to make even better videos. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.